Device Image Updater. In this video, we will show you how to use the Device Image Updater software. Here are the topics we will cover. 1. Downloading the software. 2. Using the software. Downloading the software. You can download the software using the EMEA dealer website. Connect on it. On the left side, click on Support. Then click on Software Downloads. On this page, you will find the latest versions of Composer Pro as well as the release notes. At the bottom of this page, in the Additional Software Tools section, you will find the link to the Device Image Updater knowledge base. Download it and install it. Using the software. Now that you have installed Device Image Updater, you can open it. Start by unchecking the Disable Get Version Info box. Here, you will see all your Control 4 IP devices that can undergo a firmware change. Below is the complete list of devices. In this table, you can see the minimum and maximum versions that can be applied to your devices. Important warning. You must be extremely careful when using this software on a device. The device will be updated with the selected software version and will be reset to factory settings. This means that the project will be deleted from the controller. It is crucial to always back up your project before using this software. In the Device Image Updater software, select your device. Click on Connect. Make sure you have selected the correct product. In the Select Target OS section, choose the desired version. Click on Install. Wait approximately 20 minutes. Your device is now updated to the desired version. Thank you for watching this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel to be notified of new videos. You can also find all our products and other tutorials on our website.